You think the world runs on oil? Look again. The internal combustion engine is a relic. The future is a battery. And the war for that battery has already been won. Not with tanks, with contracts. This is the lithium coup. Geopolitics is shifting. For a century, power was liquid. It flowed through pipelines. It was guarded by carriers in the Persian Gulf. But the era of oil is ending, not because we ran out, but because we found something better. Lithium. It is the white gold of the 21st century, the backbone of civilization. Without it, the energy transition is a fantasy. No EVs, no smartphones, no modern military. In the old world, you controlled the oil. You controlled the nations. In the new world, you control the storage. You control the future. While the West played checkers, Beijing played Go. They didn't wait for the market to decide. They used the state. Look at the numbers. China currently refines 60% of the world's lithium. They control 77% of global battery cell capacity. But the refining was just step one. Step two was the source. In the last 5 years, Chinese companies like Ganfeng and Tianqi have poured billions into the lithium triangle. They didn't just buy mines. They built the roads, the ports, the power grids. They didn't invade. They integrated. This is a coup by infrastructure, a conquest by balance sheet. We track the hidden forces of wealth. If you want to see the map before it changes, subscribe to Wealth Geostrategy. Join the 1% who see what others miss. Why did the West miss this? Arrogance and the dollar. Washington assumed the security subsidy of the US Navy would always ensure access to resources. They were wrong. Lithium isn't like oil. It isn't easily traded on a global spot market. It's a specialized chemical. You don't just buy it, you partner for it. China offered partnerships. The West offered sanctions and democracy. Now, as the US tries to friendshore its supply, it's finding the friends have already signed 30-year deals with Beijing. The leverage has shifted. If China cuts the supply today, Western EV production stops tomorrow. The green revolution becomes a green recession. This is the end game. You think the world runs on money? Money is just the score. Resources are the game. The petrodollar was a system built on a liquid asset. The lithium yuan will be built on a solid one. China isn't just winning the energy race. They are building a world where the dollar has no leverage because the dollar cannot build a battery. Look around you. The coup is over. The winner is already clear. The only question left is, what will the West do when the lights go out? Subscribe to Wealth Geostrategy. Thanks for watching.